Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up fraud alerts with American Express easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the American Express website. Log in to your American Express account. Once logged in, look for the Account Services option in the menu. Click on Account Services. Scroll down to find the Fraud Alerts section. Select Manage Fraud Alerts. You will see options for setting up alerts. Choose your preferred alert method, such as email or text message. Follow the prompts to enter your contact information. Specify the types of transactions you want to receive alerts for. Review your choices carefully. Click Save to confirm your settings. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email or text messages for a verification request. Follow the instructions in the verification request to finalize the setup. Once completed, your fraud alerts will be activated. You will now be notified of any suspicious activity on your account. Regularly review your alert settings to ensure they meet your needs. Consider contacting customer service if you encounter any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.